Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue about the fourth chapter, that is heat, and already in previous video already we have discussed about that what is the heat and what are the temperatures and about the related terms. So and types of thermometers also we have discussed in the previous video. Students, today we are going to start that. Today we learn about that clinical thermometer. Students, clinical thermometers are used to measure the temperature of body. Okay, so to measure the body temperature, we are using the clinical thermometer, and it is just made by a glass tube, and it contains mercury, and which one with the temperature it will rise inside it. So we can find out in the scales. They are having also some scales inside it. So we can check what is the temperature rising or it is falling. Okay. So let us discuss about how it is construction and what are the uses or equations. Okay. So first of all, you see the students here the first clinical thermometer. It is also called doctor's thermometer. Okay, students, because almost all the doctors they are using to measure the temperature, body temperature by using this thermometer. That's why other name of this clinical thermometer also it is called as a doctor's thermometer. Okay, so it is shows the temperature from 35 degree to 43 degree Celsius. Students, I have drawn here. You should see from here like this is a one clinical thermometer. Okay, so this clinical thermometer it starts from 35 degree Celsius to up to maximum how much degree? 43 degree Celsius. Okay, so within this temperature we can measure by this clinical thermometer. The normal temperature of the healthy human body is 37 degree Celsius. Students, what is your temperature if you will find out? Normal. If there is no fever or cold, then it will show the temperature of a healthy person. That is how much? 37 degree Celsius. Okay, students. So it is the temperature unit already have told that degree Celsius, or we can say that Fahrenheit also. So 37 degree Celsius also we can say in Fahrenheit means how much, friends? 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, friends. So generally 98.98 degree Fahrenheit also we can say. So this is the general temperature. That means normal temperature of a healthy person. If you will check your temperature generally, if you are not suffering cold or fever, then we can say what is the temperature. Okay, so that is normal temperature. That is general temperature is how much, friends? On healthy person 37 degree Celsius, or also we can say 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, it is how it is construction. It is the general things about that clinical thermometer, and it is made of a glass tube. So the whole part from here to this up to here, friends, it is covered with one glass stem. One rod like one is there. That is one glass stem. That is it is called as a clinical thermometer. Okay, and it contains a ball at one end and it is filled with the mercury. Here, see students, this is one cover with one like a stem like, and here it contains it is just one ball. Ball means one cavity like, and it contains what? That mercury. What it contains, friends? Mercury. Okay, and this mercury is filled with this, and whenever we will contact with this thermometer with this mercury level will contact and will any body, then this will temperature it will go to the rising. Okay, and the temperature with it will increase or rises. Okay, it contains a ball at one end it contains that one ball and filled with the mercury. Okay, this is filled with the mercury. The level of mercury rises off in the thread like portion that indicate the temperature of the body. Students, whenever we will contact, we will keep the thermometer beneath the under the tongue, then the temperature will increase. How like the thread like this inside one is there here like this, friends. This mercury will move like this, and up to where it will come. Suppose this mercury will come to here. Like this it will come. Then you can say this is a 39 degree Celsius. If it will come to here, then 41 degree. Where is that level it will come? Then we can easily find out what is your body temperature. Okay. Record the temperature in degree Celsius. C means Celsius. Okay. So whenever the temperature you are measuring, that you have to say what is it is in degree Celsius. You have to say here number I have written. These all are the degree Celsius. What is the number up to here it will come? That you have said that much degree Celsius. Okay. Range of the human body temperature is 35 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius. That means minimum 35 degrees Celsius will come. At last it will come here, and maximum how much it will come? 43 here. That's why we are using this range for the clinical thermometer. We are using for to measure the body temperature of one human. Okay. So these are the construction how it is measured and how it is made of that clinical thermometer. Students, observe here also. This is called as middle portion is called as capillary tube. One tube which inside the mercury is passing. Whenever that it will contact to that any our body, and whenever it will keep our tongue under that or armpit, we can keep that our this bulb. Then this mercury level will increase through capillary tube. That middle one tube like it is there. This is the root. When the mercury will get that heat, it will rise up, and whenever you get that cold, then it will come to down. So through this is the root of to rise here, and it will come to here. And this is called as glass stem, and here king. What is the students king? The students you have observed that whenever you will get that temperature by that thermometer, whenever you will get this mercury, then it will rise. Okay, but whenever you will take out, suddenly it will come out here. Height is not coming because the outside where the temperatures are there, whenever your body temperature is rises, then this it will go to here. But whenever this cross, this is called as king. What you should say? King. But don't bring to the mercury here suddenly. Okay. And next one is the bulb. Bulb means it is store that mercury. Whenever we don't want to use, the mercury level will come and it will stay here. Okay. And whenever we need, whenever we start that to, or whenever we are going to start to check that our temperature, first of all we have to mercury should bring here by a few jack. By like this you have to, suppose this is one thermometer. First of all this is mercury level. If mercury level is here, then you have to jack like this. Okay friends, if you jack, then what will happen? The mercury level, this through the thing, it will come to here, and it will stay here only. Then whenever you will keep under the tongue, a tongue under you will keep, then what will happen? The temperature, when that mercury level will increase, and then you will find out the temperature. Okay friends, these are the construction and how, what are the general things about the clinical thermometer. Now we study how to use and how we should take care about the thermometer. Okay friends, the thermometer is a very sensitive things like just it is made by glass. If it will fall down, it will be broken, and it mercury it will go. So it is very carefully you have to use. So first of all, wash it before use, because you are keeping in mouth. So if it has touched some dust or anything, so first of all you should wash it before use. You should wash it. Okay, and then after you will keep in mouth or under the tongue. Before taking the temperature, is given a few jars to bring down the level of mercury level below 35 degrees. Suppose if you keep outside or it will touch to somebody's hands, then may it will increase the temperature. So don't do like that. First of all, before using, you do that some jars. Means like this, hanging like this you will do. Then the mercury level will come to 35 degrees. Below 35 degrees it will stay here. Here this is 35. The mercury will come to here. Okay. It is placed beneath the tongue for a minute. How much time it will take, friends? For 1 minute. For you will keep beneath the tongue where that under that you have to keep like this tongue under you have to keep the thermometer. And which side will keep? Now the bulb you have to keep. Don't catch the bulb. This is suppose the blue color my mercury you should see. This is the bulb where the mercury is stored. Okay, the mercury you should keep like this. Don't catch to that bulb. Anytime don't hold the mercury or the mercury bulb. Okay, the bulb don't want to catch. So you have to catch this side and you have to put the bulb under the tongue or beneath the tongue. And for how much time you will keep inside it? For 1 minute. You can take it out and observe the temperature reading on the thermometer. Then after 1 minute, you have to take out and check. How like you check? Your eyes and this you have to make it parallel. If you keep like this, then may difference will come. So for leveling of your eyes, you have to check like this. Then exactly you can find out what is the temperature of your body. Okay. Never hold the thermometer by the bulb. Already I have told you to see the precaution. Don't hold to the bulb of the thermometer. You should not catch. Okay. Upon other side you can catch it. To read the temperature, keep the thermometer at eye level. I told you, whenever you are checking that you are observing the temperature, you should do the like leveling line with through your eyes level. You have to keep like this. You will keep. May some difference will come. Okay, I cannot find out the particular temperature. So it is very small lines are there. So you can see through like eye leveling. You should keep that thermometer with the eye leveling. Okay, friends. This is the hot clinical thermometer. Friends, nowadays what happening? Now to avoiding now this clinical thermometer. Nowadays instead of clinical thermometer, nowadays it is using that digital thermometer already. That means no need, it is not using that mercury, because sometimes while you are using that thermometer, clinical thermometer, it will fall down from your hand and it will break down and very difficult to collect that. And so many parts it will come, mercury it will fall down, so it is not good. So that's why nowadays what happening, to avoid that we are using that now, doctors using, and we are also using that digital thermometer. Digital thermometer what happen? It does not contain the mercury. So if you fall down, nothing will happen. Don't worry. And just it will be, it will break, but it won't be harmed. So nowadays we are using digital thermometer. We will see that in the next video. Okay, friends. Other what are that maximum and minimum thermometer, laboratory thermometer, we'll see in the next video. Okay, friends. Thank you.